Up this Macpherson Strut spring compressor. They make a really heavy duty item and they're innovative. So this kit comes with 3 different sizes depending on the width of your spring. And another cool feature is they kind of call it so you don't lose features. So this is your compressor, super heavy duty, put your wrench, your socket, whatever on there. But they've got these little grooves on each end, and then basically you clap that in there, and then it comes with a threaded bolt, and that keeps that thing from falling off. So when you flip this thing upside down, or when you're trying to get in there to compress the spring, at least you can move it around and not have it fall off. Plastic covers if you need to protect your springs, if you're doing a nice show truck or something. Again, 3 different sizes. It's a pretty good universal kit. Nothing special beyond the fact that it's super heavy duty, and that these attach, and then their slide, it moves really easy. I mean, it's smooth. So you don't have to get in there with those little hooks and springs and try to work it. This thing will do the job very quickly.